welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you a remedy that you can use to get rid of your underarm hair really fast. I'm using only natural ingredient in this remedy, and it is very effective and it's very fast. What is going to happen when you use this treatment is going to get rid of the hair, but not only will it get rid of the hair basically after 10 minutes, but it will also cause the hair to take longer to grow back. The hair will grow back much finer, much thinner, and eventually you'll notice that you don't have to shave as often until finally you probably will not need to shave at all. So if you're interested in this remedy, continue watching. Our first ingredient is milk, and this is fresh milk. Our second ingredient is gram flour. Our third ingredient is salt, and this is sea salt. Our fourth ingredient is turmeric powder. And our final ingredient is olive oil. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and this is sea salt, we're using a 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon olive oil, and 3 tablespoons of fresh milk. And now we're going to mix this together. Try to get out all the lumps. Now once this is done, you're going to warm this on the stove top, or you're going to warm it in the microwave. You can also choose to warm this on a double boiler. If you do not have a double boiler, you just need a container, and you're going to pour hot water in the container, and then you're going to place it in the hot water. Now you're going to let this sit in the hot water for a few. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring until it's get as thick. Warm enough. Test. So just keep stirring. And now this is ready. Now let's take a look at some of the benefits of the ingredients, and then I'm going to show you how to use this wonderful hair remover. Milk rich in B vitamins, alpha hydroxy acid, calcium, and other potent antioxidants. It will nourish skin cells from deep within and keep skin moisturized all day. Gram flour exfoliate the dead skin, sebum, and oil from the skin. Similarly, the rough texture of gram flour holds the hair tightly when applied. When you scrub it off, it removes the hair from the roots. It clears the clogged pores and deals with ingrown hair as well. Turmeric. Turmeric paste has a sticky nature that grabs your skin tightly, and when applied on the skin, then it removes the hair from its root. It helps to inhibit the hair growth with its amazing properties. To get rid of your unwanted hair, you're going to use a cotton pad to apply the treatment. You're going to dip in, and you're just going to apply it to your underarm. You're gonna apply it upwards, totally cover the underarm. Then you're gonna let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're just gonna press hard and tissue off to remove the hair. Now once this is done, once you remove it, you're just going to rinse this off, and you want to continue to use this treatment as often as you need it. Now, the longer you use this treatment is the less your hair will grow back. Eventually, it will start to be very, very thin, and then eventually you'll get rid of your underarm hair, okay? So there you have it. If you like the video, don't forget to leave your comment and give it a thumbs up. Also share the recipe, and if this was the first time watching, don't forget to look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. If you click on it, you will be subscribed. If you want to know exactly when I post a video, just click on the little bell at the side and you will get a notification as soon as I post. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.